It took me over 7 years to find this strategy that made me consistently profitable. Let me teach it to you in under 3 minutes. Every morning at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time, I open my charts and look for key price action from the overnight and the pre-market data, marking off key areas of support or resistance where I think the market is likely to reverse off of. Then I go into a 1-minute chart of the same market and I look for 30 minutes after the market opens. The S&P 500 for me opens up at 7:30, so I mark 7:45 and 8 o'clock. These are key times in the market where I have consistently noticed that it will cause a reversal in the market. And so I like to be hyper aware of when these times show up. Once the market opens at 7:30, I watch to see the price movement of those first 15 minutes. Does the market make a flush up or a flush down into one of my support zones, and as well as one of those reversal timings? The 4 key factors I want to see for entering into a reversal is 1, this move down into the zone and my reversal timing is it needs to be a strong flush down. If the market's all choppy and not moving easily, it's unlikely to reverse easily. Good trades happen in volatile markets. Number 2 is the current trend that it's in needs to be broken. And so to do that, I either look at a trend line based off of the current trend if and when that has been broken, or I watch the swings of the current trend. What are the lows and the highs doing? Once the market stops making lower lows and lower highs and starts making a higher low and potentially a higher high, well, that is another key that the trend is shifting. And then finally, going into a recording of this, the last thing I'm looking for to complete this head and shoulders is have this big bullish candlestick break the highs here. And then when that happens, I enter in an order, betting that the market's gonna go higher, and I put my stop below the previous swing low because I'm going with the swings of the market. And then so for a target, I'm looking to see the downtrend get reversed all the way, because when the market moves down in such a rapid fashion, it's an unhealthy trend and it's likely to reverse higher. And so ideally, at a minimum, I'm going for 2 times my risk, or even better is 3 times my risk. And so I slowly manage and target those rough areas. And as it gets up with this specific trade, I pretty much close out at 2.5 my profit for a little over $4,500.